If you want to create forms in GoDaddy Website Builder, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you want to collect leads, receive customer questions, or add a simple contact form to your home or contact page, GoDaddy makes it easy to do right inside your website editor. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click My Products. From there, look under Websites plus Marketing and click Manage. This will open the dashboard for the website you want to edit. Next, click Edit Website to launch the website builder. Now you're inside the editor, and the next step is to navigate to the page where you want your form to appear. This could be your home page, your contact page, or any other page where you want visitors to reach out to you. Once you're on the right page, look for the Add Section button. Click it to open the list of available content sections. In the section menu, choose Contact or Form, depending on the layout you want. GoDaddy may show a few different options, but the goal is to insert a form section into your page. After you add the section, click directly on the form to start editing the fields. This is where you can customize the form to fit your business. You can add fields like name, email, phone, and message, or remove any fields you don't need. If you only want a simple contact form, keep it short so people are more likely to fill it out. If you need more details from visitors, you can include extra fields, but remember that shorter forms usually convert better. You can also set required fields if needed. For example, you may want name and email to be required so you always get the basic contact information you need. Once your form looks the way you want, take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure the fields make sense, the order looks clean, and the form matches your website's purpose. After that, save your changes. Saving is important, so your edits are stored inside the GoDaddy editor before you go live. Then click Preview to see how the form will look on your actual website. This helps you check spacing, layout, and the overall user experience before publishing. If everything looks good in Preview, go ahead and click Publish. Publishing makes the form visible to your visitors so they can start submitting responses right away. And that's it. You've successfully created a form in GoDaddy Website Builder. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to click, and now you can start collecting messages, leads, or customer inquiries directly from your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.